Well, hey there, everybody. I am going to be doing a quick version of green chili today. Welcome to Tea and Tally. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I'm so excited to have you with me. One of the things you're going to see is that I love to cook. And I'm going to be making some green chili for the family feast today at Christmas. And in ingredients, we have some cilantro, some chili, some onion, some garlic, jalapeno, pork, and some cumin, chicken broth, some green enchilada sauce, some fire roasted green chilies, and bacon. So let's get started. One of the first things you're going to do is you're going to brown up some bacon. And it doesn't matter what it looks like, because what you're going to do is take the bacon fat and use that to brown your pork. So you want the flavor from the bacon fat, and ooh, that makes it delicious. So just brown up some bacon and get that fat in there. And save the bacon for later for a nice BLT or eggs or something. You can make a nice potato, egg, and bacon burrito. You know, you'll reuse the bacon. So right now we're just going to take the fat from that. Time to add your pork and start stirring it in with the bacon grease and get that all nice and browned up. It tastes delicious with that bacon fat. Right, time to add some more ingredients. What you're going to do is just pretty much mix everything in there. Your onions, delicious onions, and your garlic. Get that garlic in there. I'm making a pretty big pot, so I had to use an entire onion and a bunch of garlic to make sure there's plenty of flavor. And then you're going to add your other stuff, which is your jalapeños. Ooh, I used 2 of them. Gee, I hope it's not too hot for the wimps and not too mild for those that like it hot. So I think I'm just going to do 2 jalapeños and then stir that bad boy right up. We're going to add some more stuff here. We're going to add the fire roasted green chilies. And your green enchilada sauce. And give that a really good stir. It smells good already. Woohoo! All right, and you're gonna put in some chicken broth. Now remember, guys, this is just a quick version. Later I'll be making the longer version, but this is just a quick version of the green chili when you want to bring some but don't have a lot of time. Ooh, there it goes. Now you want to make sure to put enough liquid because it's going to be simmering for a while and you don't want it to evaporate too much. For your dry ingredients, you can put those in now. And those dry ingredients are salt, pepper, and cumin, And you can always keep adding and remember my favorite saying, it's to your liking. Need more salt, need more pepper, whatever. All right. And what green chili recipe is complete without, you said it, green chilies? There's a lot of green going in here. I love the color green. One of my favorite colors. It's probably why I love green chili so much. All right, so basically at this point, you're just gonna let it simmer on, I don't know, medium-ish for as long as you can until it's time to go. So let that sit there for a bit and we'll come back to it. Okay, checking in on it. It's smelling good, it looks good. And oh, by the way, you can add yourself a little cornstarch to thicken it. I usually put a little bit in a separate bowl just to make sure that it stirs properly and you don't get the lumps. And I just stir it in with it. So you can use that to thicken up the green chili a bit. And give it a good stir. And so thicken to your liking. I always say to your liking because everybody's different, right? Some like this, some like that. So I love recipes that you can choose how you want it. I just give you the basics. You can add this, you can add that, change this, but at least you know how to get things started and going and little tricks that you can learn. So that is my hope. So anyway, back to, that guy doesn't want to come off. back to letting it simmer. Yum. I want your reaction. I made a cooking video.
Tell the camera now, dude. And I have lots more.
It's hot.
Use a chip. Use a chip.
Hit me in the back of the throat.
Oh! That's not what's supposed to happen.
Oh, it's really good.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's really good.
Put it on that chip.
You want some of the taro beans? Yeah. You want some of the taro beans?
Yeah, you nailed it. That's super good.
Yeah? Awesome.
You want chip?
No stage fright.
This is Louie.
Okay.
Okay.
Use a chip. Use a chip. Yes. Yeah?
Yeah, it's good.
Good stuff?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Is it supposed to be a sauce or
It's a green chili. She's like, what's green chili?
You can't use the word in the definition.
It's good.
Okay, that's what I was wondering, if it needed something. It's just to see if you like it. That's all.
I do like it.
Okay, that's very good. See, putting it on the food. There we go.
a little spicy, a little sweetness. Onion is so good.
See, that's the kind of reaction I'm liking. Thank you.
Delicious.
So it's good. Thank you.
So good.
Okay, good.
Thank you.